Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Knowledge Management System and Development, which comes under the third module of Information Systems and Knowledge Management. This lecture is meant for Semester 5 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the learning concept and knowledge management system. Learning is the process of bridging the gap between what our knows and what our should know. It is the knowledge or skill acquired by studying theory or instructions. Learning enhances when knowledge learned is applied in operations and problem solving. The gap may be filled by additional data, more contextual information, and improved knowledge due to additional experience of using the knowledge in different applications. Learning means finding new ideas, improved insight, discovering new patterns, verification of hypotheses with additional knowledge, and predicting future trends and behavior. It may be developed out of experience by experiment of knowledge in problem resolution and by discovery while working on something. Learning tools and technologies. The learning tools and technologies required for knowledge driven collaborative working are artificial intelligence, expert systems, data warehousing and mining, case based reasoning, intelligent agents, association rules, and neural networks. Data visualization. In all these tools and technologies, data is a primary input. Learning takes place when the data is processed through these tools and technologies and using of data models. In order to use data directly, visualization of data is absolutely essential. Data visualization brings clarity in data structure, relationships, and meaning. For example, retail trade business, monthly sales data of a product can be structured by customer segments, by locations, by models, and so on. Each structuring throws more light on sales and customer behavior. The key knowledge areas a knowledge management team should identify are knowledge required to build strategy and its implementation, knowledge processes contributing to creation of value and competitive advantage, characteristics of identified knowledge, mechanisms to transfer and share knowledge, conducive organization structure, and incentives, reward and recognition systems. This figure illustrates the knowledge management function delivery model. The model specifies 6 enablers driving knowledge management system in which leadership drives the remaining drivers. The results at knowledge management system produces are 5 knowledge entities which over a period gather high economic value culminating into human, structural capital and intellectual property. The organization truly becomes a learning organization whose brand equity increases, highly impacting the market value of the organization. In this lecture, we have discussed the learning concept and knowledge management system. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.